The car hypnotizer. Mum says, I can hypnotise people. And Mum tries to be exciting. Look out the window. There's a window. We go, okay, Mum, okay. Mum says, right. I'm stopping the car. I am. Toenails. More and more people in Britain today are using jizz on the kitchen door handle.
Wow, horrible! Now, he's got his back to me, washing up, and right on the... Ow! That hurt! I didn't hurt you! What? He says, and he pulls my finger under the water and stuffs it into the kitchen door handle. And he jizz right on the kitchen door handle. Horrible! My dad says, He always says that.
Conversations with the Viking. Do you want an apple? No. What do you want then? Transport. Do you want something to eat? Wood. Do you want some puffed wheat? No. Do you want some puffed wheat? No. Do you want some puffed wheat? Yes. What are you doing? Our teacher. Sex. What are you doing? Breathing very, very quietly. I done saw a funny noise. Who is the Queen of Holland? There was silence. No one knew. Who is snorting away like mad? There was silence. No one knew. The Queen of Holland. Dave said, thanks, hamster. So everyone said, nice. But my dad, what does he do? Nice. And there's my brother, he's doing the same. Nice. Hot food. We sit down to eat, and the potatoes sit down to eat. So I only put a little bit on my kitchen door handle. Can I blow? But my dad, what does he do?